If you like little Andes mints around this time of year, you will absolutely love this mousse that we're going to make. I have found at Walmart these little Andes cream de mint baking chips, and we're going to use those instead of the little Andes. If you use the little Andes, it will take 2 boxes, or a total of, let's see, I think they're a little over 5 ounces a piece. So you would have to have 2 boxes. But with this, all it takes is one nice little package. And I'm going to pour those into my bowl. I'm going to add 1/3 cup of milk and 1.5 cups of miniature marshmallows. Now, if you have the large marshmallows instead of the miniature, it will take 15 large. I'm going to put this in the microwave and microwave it until this is all melted together. It will take 2 minutes, but I'm going to stir every 30 seconds. Okay, we have gotten our marshmallows all melted, the chocolate's melted. Now, it takes 2 minutes to melt this and get it all stirred together, but it depends on your microwave. So just keep doing it at 30 seconds a piece and stir in between until all of your marshmallows have melted. Now we're going to let it sit here and begin to cool. It'll take about 30 minutes, and then we'll finish this dessert up. Okay, our chocolate has set for 30 minutes. And as you can see, it's beginning to thicken up just a little bit. It has cooled down a little bit also, so we're going to take 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, put in our bowl, and we're going to mix this until it is a pretty stiff whipped cream. Okay, now you can see that it's a pretty stiff peak. It holds. So we're ready to fold that into our chocolate mixture. And we're just going to pour all of that in there and then fold it in. Okay, we have that mixed in there nice. It looks nice and fluffy. We're going to go ahead and put it into our bowls, and then we're going to set it into the refrigerator for 4 hours. Now, we have taken these out of the refrigerator. They have been in there at least 4 hours, and they have set up to where that they're very firm. Now, this recipe makes a total of 6 half cups. Now, if you're wondering where the other 2 have gone, it's because Michael and I ate the other 2 before they were ready. Now we're going to make the topping. I'm going to put 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream, and we're going to whip that along with 2 tablespoonfuls of powdered sugar. And I don't want it too sweet, so I'm going to be sure and level off my tablespoonfuls. And we're just going to beat this until we have heavy peaks. Not heavy peaks, until we have stiff peaks. Okay, we can see that the whipped cream is holding its shape, and that is what we want. And we're just going to take a nice, I have a tablespoonful there, and I'm just going to place it on top of each chocolate. Now, I've gone to Walmart, and bless their little hearts, they have crunched the peppermint candy for me. I only find this around Christmas time, so, you know, otherwise you may have to take your hard peppermint candy, put it in a plastic bag, and hit it with the rolling pin a few times. And I'm just going to kind of sprinkle that on top to make it pretty. And now I'm going to finish up the rest.